Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rashid from 𝐊𝐄𝐒𝐄 Quebec. So in this video, I will explain about safety equipment on the ship. Safety on the ship is the responsibility of many parts such as ship companies, maritime regulators, passengers, crew, and so on.
These vendors protect ship from colliding during ship-to-ship transfer operation. High-tech pneumatic fenders are felt rubber fenders encased in tie nets, designed for ship-to-ship transfer, inclined berthing, and naval operation. HPFS are easy to install and can be detached from storage or transport. They provide a resilient caution between the vessel and the structure to reduce impact force during berthing and keep the vessel safe. Each HPF unit has solar cell embedded LEDs for visibility in the dark. The safety valve also allows operation at high pressures by preventing overpressure. HPFS can be customized for various configuration to be used on vessels, from oil and tankers or cargo ships to other aluminum hull vessels.